In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vertical divider in Notion, a feature that enhances the visual organization of your pages. Whether you use Notion to manage your projects, collaborate on documents, or maintain a personal wiki, adding vertical dividers can help create clear separation between sections, making your workspace more visually appealing and easier to navigate. To begin, make sure you are in your Notion workspace. If you're not yet logged in, head over to the Notion website and click on the Login button. Follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Notion homepage where all your pages are listed and organized. Now, look through your list of pages and open the one where you want to add a vertical divider. Once inside the page, the next step is to make use of Notion's command palette, which can be very handy for quickly accessing various blocks and functionalities. Type the / command, followed by the word callout. The callout block is quite versatile and serves various purposes. But in this instance, we will leverage it to add context and sections, alongside our vertical divider element. After inserting the callout block, you'll want to add the vertical divider within your content. To add the divider itself, simply insert a vertical line symbol, which can be done by pasting either the vertical bar character or the single vertical line character between the text blocks you wish to separate. This vertical line acts as a clear divider, creating the illusion of distinct columns without needing complex table setups. It's a quick and effective way to differentiate between sections without cluttering the layout with unnecessary elements. As a tip, make sure to place the divider between relatively narrow text blocks to maintain a clean look. Wide sections can make the divider less noticeable and potentially interfere with the readability of your page. If you find the line doesn't seem to work aesthetically, consider adjusting the surrounding text or layout to achieve a more balanced appearance. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily incorporate a vertical divider into your Notion pages to enhance organization and improve the overall visual flow of your documents. Experiment with different placements and combinations to see what works best for your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace. Have fun experimenting with your Notion setup, and stay tuned for more creative ways to streamline your workflow.